Hi guys, today I'm unboxing the set of 2 nightstands by Sweetcrispy Furniture. I did receive this in exchange for my honest opinion, but I'm super excited to have these and get them unboxed here and get them put together. So first, when I'm pulling them out of the box, I see it has these black covers on the corners of the wood, so that's really nice. I know they packaged it well to make sure that the wood doesn't get damaged. It does come with an instruction manual, and it looks like the instructions are pretty clear and easy to understand. So let's go ahead and finish getting all of this unwrapped. We have our 2 pieces of wood right there, which is the tops for the nightstands. This right here is one of the drawers, so I'm just going to use some scissors here to cut open the plastic. Here we have another drawer, so I'm going to do the same thing and get all the plastic off. The next piece we have is part of the frame right here, so I'm just going to remove all that plastic. I like that they have 2 pieces of styrofoam in between the pieces of the frame, so that's really nice. I'm going to continue opening the drawers and the pieces of the frame, and here we've got everything opened other than we've got these little bars I got to open up here on the top. So get those unwrapped, and then right here we have our handles for our drawers. They were in a Ziploc bag, so I got those unwrapped. And then right here you have all your tools you need, your screws, your Allen wrenches, everything you need to put these together. I am super excited to get these put together and see what they look like.